start recording. Recording with the light on this time. Yeah, because I couldn't get the light. Hi, ASAP. Say hi. Say hi. We're at the camp with ASAP. Hi, ASAP. Hi, ASAP. Say hi to the camera, ASAP. Hi, Here, Nanny. Nanny's. You hear them in the background? Nanny, you said you're doing the thing. But we're here at the camp, sorting out my plants for their new homes, right? So here they are, putting them together. Yay! So if you need any plants, just let me know, because I got them for you. And these, we have this rare breed of cactus also in the bloom, right? And we have the barbaras. These are good for air cleansing, room cleansing. You know, if you have want to clean your environment, make you breathe, inhale proper oxygen, get rid of the carbons and the pollutions. Yes, we have the snake plants and the barbaras and the others. Even pomegranates. We have pomegranates. That's medicinal. Yeah. So the aloes. And just give me a check. Check me. Okay. Is you saying fussing? You said fussing. Okay. Okay, baby. Okay, baby. The garden in little corners. Go to your bed. He wants to stay with his mommy.